Yeah, I got to cut some hair and make some money.
Many hair salons, gyms, and tattoo parlors in Georgia are back in business. They were allowed to reopen Friday despite the disapproval of health experts and a mounting coronavirus death toll in the United States. The heated debate over the need to save lives and the need to save the economy comes as the virus has now killed more than 52,000 Americans. At this barbershop in Atlanta, workers are taking extra precautions to ensure no one catches COVID-19.
I ain't crazy about wearing gloves, cutting hair. I ain't crazy about wearing a mask, but I'm going to comply with our government and do what we need to do to be operating. But it's better to do this than sit at home and lose my business.
Tommy Thomas shut down the shop a month ago and says no haircuts means no income.
I got to pay rent and I got to pay my barber some money to help them out.
Georgia is moving faster than any other state to ease their COVID-19 restrictions. Oklahoma, Alaska, and South Carolina have also begun loosening shutdown orders that have kept Americans indoors. Meanwhile, in Maryland, there are different priorities at the moment. Officials there say they had to warn people under no circumstances should you inject yourself with any cleaning products because they received so many callers to a health hotline. Now, the warning follows Donald Trump's comments this week where he suggested using disinfectant to cure COVID-19, which the president now says was sarcasm. Trump retweeting a similar warning from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the White House press secretary accusing the media on Saturday of taking Trump out of context.
This president has consistently said from the beginning that people should consult with their doctors. He's repeatedly emphasized that, and I wish the media would too.
And said the administration is not considering scaling back the president's role at his daily coronavirus briefings, where he often delivers freewheeling remarks.
People have had an opportunity to hear directly from the president, sometimes more than 2 hours. So I think that they get a very clear insight and look into who this president is without the filter of the media. They get to directly hear from him, and I think that's a very good and positive thing.
For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.